Hey, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a quick, easy Christmas Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to use one of the Dollar Tree wood signs and one of their little envelope signs to make a cute little letters to Santa display. This is like a tiny envelope that's got metal on it, but I want mine to be metallic gold. So I just took it outside and gave it a quick spray of some metallic gold spray paint for the outside of the envelope. For the inside, I want to just cover up that autumn, so I just did a coat of white paint just to kind of give myself a blank canvas for that. This is the sign we're going to be DIYing, and this is a free printable that I designed, and I will leave a link to this free printable down in the comments below today's video. It's like vintage Santa letters. It's very like shabby chic looking, and I just printed this out to size for one of these Dollar Tree wood square signs. I just used Mod Podge to attach it. It's super cute, little letters to Santa. And then I just go over the top of it with some more Mod Podge to really seal that and give it almost like a canvas texture. Now, the frame of these Dollar Tree signs is like an unfinished wood, so I wanted to add some fun detail to that. I'm going to use some of Dollar Tree's white lace ribbon. I think that would look really cute and kind of go with the theme. So I'm just going to cut that down to size, and we're going to attach it all the way around to give us like a little ribbon frame. And I think that looks so much better than like the MDF that was on there before. And I just kind of want to layer these signs. So this is going to be the background, and then I want to add that Dollar Tree envelope to the front to make a little letters for Santa envelope that you can actually put like little notes in if you wanted to. Now I also want to incorporate some burlap in this project, and I love crafting with the Dollar Tree faux burlap bags. I can usually find those in the Crafter Square at my store, and they're great because they're coated with this like plastic coating that you're able to draw on. It cuts easily, and you don't have to worry about fraying like with regular burlap. So I just kind of sketched that out on the back. I want to cover the inside of the envelope with a burlap, so just trying to cut that down to size where it will kind of just slide right in there and fit like that. I think that looks really cute. And then I also want to personalize it. I picked up some of these little stampers from Dollar General, and I'm just going to use some ink, and we're going to stamp the design on. I love the stamped burlap look. I think that's really fun. So I'm just going to go ahead and map out letters. I'm going to start like in the center here where I can kind of center it a little better and then kind of work my way out. I didn't really like that one, so I'm going to try to restamp that one. And I am going to add like a little glitter to this in the end, and I'll kind of cover up my little boo-boo there. But otherwise, it's pretty forgiving to stamp. Just make sure you know exactly where you're going before you stamp it down. And I'm going to have it say letters to Santa. So one more line, and you'll be able to read that instead of like the autumn that was on the back of those envelope signs or whatever season you have one from. And that'll go right inside just like that. Perfect. I'm going to attach that with some Mod Podge as well over the white paint that we put on there to kind of cover up the design. I didn't want you to be able to see that autumn design through the faux burlap. It covers a little bit, but it wouldn't cover like a bright design back there. And we can attach it right here on the front of our Dollar Tree sign, just using some hot glue here on the back. Really fun. And then I thought maybe we could add a little bit of bling to this. I'm going to use some of these little glitter stickers from the Dollar Tree, do a little reindeer right up here. It's going to cover where there was a hole in there. And then I'm just going to use some of this spray glue, and I used some of the gold glitter, and I just sprinkled that all over. And I got both of those at Dollar Tree as well to give me like a glittered burlap, which I'm really glad I did. It really made it kind of magical and feel special. And this is how it turned out, our little letters to Santa sign. Really fun and really easy to make. If you'd like more Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.